Hello and welcome back to the Hughes Enterprises channel. We're outside today. It's, what is it today? Like November something, and it's like 40 degrees out, so it's shorts weather. And it's the end of the growing season, and so all the vegetables are starting to die. And it's time to harvest the Daikon radishes. That's pretty good, huh? Let's see here. That's a good one. Oh, there's a nice one back there. So, like everybody during the pandemic, tried to find some ways to stay entertained while it was not working. So, I baked bread like everybody else in the world. And, oh, that one split. Oh well. But I decided to make a little garden too. And these radishes seem to have done pretty well. Grew mustard greens. Those are pretty much died off by now. And grew some lettuce. Oh, that one's really messed up. And it grew, these things are beets, the purple guys, but they're not doing too hot. I don't know what's wrong with them. Wow, that's a big one. Let's see, there's another good one here. I think I'm gonna pickle half of these, and then probably make a soup. That's a good one. And some people eat the greens on the daikons, but I don't know if I'm gonna eat the greens on these. I learned a lot about gardening. Like, I wasn't expecting like plant diseases like this, some sort of fungus that's attacking this mustard, and it spread on some of the daikons. And then had cabbage moths take out all my lettuce, and this is cabbage that they just destroyed it. But they didn't like the kale, because I guess nobody likes kale. But yeah, like this is big Florida broadleaf mustard. Tastes pretty good. A little spicy. That's nice. It's almost like a horseradish kind of flavor. It's pretty good. Wow, that's a spicy bit. So, I think I'm gonna, well, I'll take this one. The rest of these are not very big. Thinking maybe give them a couple more weeks before it really starts freezing, and maybe they'll get a little bigger. This mustard's going to seed, so That's just about done for. But, yeah. Not too bad. Probably 4 or 5 pounds. Maybe 5 pounds of Daikon. So I'll make a few jars of nice pickle, and maybe we'll make some soup tonight. So thanks for watching.